Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask Browser, only way. Install MetaMask and open the Browser tab to begin connecting to dApps immediately. Create a wallet or import your seed phrase, then set a strong password and back up your recovery phrase offline. Learn to switch networks, add custom tokens, and confirm transactions safely. I will show simple steps and common pitfalls so you feel confident using MetaMask daily. To connect a dApp, open the MetaMask browser and navigate to the site you trust, then tap Connect and choose your account. Approve only the permissions that the site needs and never share your seed phrase with anyone. If a site requests unusual access, disconnect and investigate. I will guide you through connecting, reviewing gas fees, and canceling or rejecting suspicious transactions to keep your funds safe while exploring decentralized apps. Adding tokens and staying safe takes a few clear steps inside MetaMask. Add a token via contract address, confirm the symbol, and verify balances. Watch gas fees and choose a suitable speed to balance cost and speed. Never enter your seed phrase into websites, and consider a hardware wallet for larger balances. I will explain importing tokens, managing multiple accounts, and simple safety habits to protect your crypto.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.